This person is making a major decision about you. Listen attentively, because what I'm about to reveal could be happening in someone's mind silently, secretly, and profoundly right now, at this precise moment, and you may not be aware of it. There is a person out there who has been thinking about you. You may feel disconnected, aloof, confused, or uncertain about where your relationship stands with them. But what you do not understand is this: this individual is standing at one of the most critical emotional crossroads of their life. And the decision they are about to make is not just any decision. It's a decision about you, not your profile picture, not your past experiences, not your thoughts, not your connection, but you as a soul, as a person who came into their life with value and impact. They are analyzing something really deep: should I move forward or pull away? Should I choose them or choose my fears? Should I hold on, or should I let go? This decision is not simple. It's not easy. It's not something they can rush, overlook, or pretend, since you are not just a new chapter. You are a chapter they cannot close easily. Part 1: The silent struggle inside them. Right now, this individual could be telling you how deeply they are thinking. They could be smiling, looking normal, acting casually, or even looking aloof. But deep down, their mind is full of questions, heavy questions. They are in discussion: what if this decision changes my entire future? What if I lose them for good? What if I am choosing pleasure rather than destiny? What if I am thinking too much and end up regretting everything? You might believe they don't care. You might believe they forgot you. You might believe they are doing just fine without you. But the reality is, certain people do not show emotions because they are afraid to lose control. Certain individuals don't express love because they have never been taught how. Certain individuals don't chase because they don't feel competent. Certain individuals hesitate because they worry love will become another agony. This person is quietly battling between heart and mind. Their heart whispers, this person is special. You feel comfortable with them. Don't let them leave. Their mind warns, what if it fails again? What if you choose wrong? What if you are not good enough? They are trapped between recovery and hope, between fear and future. Part 2: Why your connection is difficult to ignore. There is some reason they can't forget you. There is a reason why their heart still responds when they hear your name. There is a reason why their chest gets tighter when they think about losing you forever. You ignite something inside them that they did not expect, something spiritual, emotional, and personal. You impacted their self-assurance, comfort zone, dreams, past pain, and future vision. Not every connection is an attraction. Not every conversation is a commitment. But with you, something was different. You gave them attention, understanding, peace of mind, value, and impact. You were not making noise. You were not entertaining. You were comfort. You were not a distraction. Part 3: The 3 potential emotions inside them. This person is dealing with one or more of these. Key 1: Fear of losing you. They understand that if they remain silent too long, if they take too long to choose, someone else could value you better. Someone else could come in and acknowledge what they took time to understand. Key 2: Fear of being hurt again. Their past experiences might be louder than their future goals. Certain individuals don't hesitate because of you. They hesitate because of what transpired before you. Key 3: Fear of not being enough for you. Strong love makes people uncomfortable because they instantly feel like they have something to lose. Part 4: What they are thinking before making a decision. This person is asking themselves simple questions: can I give them devotion? Can I grant them emotional security? Can I progress with them, not against them? Can I love them without fear? Can I become the right form of myself for them? Am I choosing them because of feeling lonely or because of destiny? They know that choosing you means no distractions, no ego disagreements, no fleeting attachment, no partial love, and no harmful cycle. Choosing you means accountability because they feel that you are a special kind of soul. Part 5: Your vitality is impacting their decision. The way you behave matters. Your silence matters. Your development is important. Your respect matters. Whether they choose you or not, the way you value yourself will determine their ultimate state of mind. Because the reality is, sometimes people choose you when you eventually choose yourself. Sometimes people devote themselves to you after you stop pleading. Sometimes people come to light when you stop waiting. Sometimes people know your value when you concentrate on your own life.